Hello friends, today we are on my bedroom floor because I am packing for a trip. Fun fact, I'm not going anywhere like very tropical. I'm just going to Niagara Falls. If you're from Canada or the US, you probably know where it is because you know it's like the border of the US and Canada. Part of it anyways. I'm going there for a week, so I just figured I would pack with you guys. And to make it more interesting, I asked you guys on Instagram to send me in some questions, and you guys sent me in some, so I'll be answering them throughout this video so you guys can get to know me a bit more. But anyways, we gotta start packing because I literally only have 2 things, and these are just my sweatpants, and I have like a whole list of things like toiletries, clothing, food, you know, other things that like normal people pack. Anyways, we have to do all of that. We have to start packing, so let's go. So far I only have my 2 pairs of sweatpants and socks and underwear, and we need to get everything else done. Alright, so I'm going away for only 7 days, but I made an entire list that I will put right here. I'm probably overpacking, but I feel like it's better to overpack than underpack. So we're gonna start with tank tops. Here are my tank tops. I love tank tops because they're so easy to just like roll up into a tiny little ball, and they're so easy to pack. These are my favorites. They're little stretchy ones. These are from Urban Planet, and the black ones are from Garage. This is an ugly angle, but I'm also like wearing a black tank top, and I'm gonna be wearing this the day I leave. So I guess that's like 6 tank tops in general, I guess. This black one. No, but then that's 3 black tank tops. Whatever. This one I'm using for pajamas, and I'll throw in this one because why not? It's cute. All right, so we have 4 tank tops and 1 pajama one. I know I said 5, but it's also in the wash right now, so I guess I'll pack that later. But we're gonna answer the first question, and that is, what's your favorite video you filmed so far? Probably the ones where I can edit them in the form of a video game, so like my hot girl summer outfit, or like the sweatpants video, or my get ready with me one. I love those. I just like editing in the form of a video game. It's just super fun. So I'm just gonna like roll them into a tiny little ball because I've seen packing channels do that, so I guess I'll just copy them. Should I like put like socks in like this thing? Is that where they should go? Or should I put toiletries in there? I'm just gonna put socks and stuff in here. And then my 2 sweatpants, I'm bringing my blue Aritzia ones and my white Garage ones. They're super comfy, so those can just stay there. All right, next question. What looks better, gold or silver jewelry / accessories? Personally, I like silver on me. All of my jewelry is silver, but I want to be a gold person, but I just already have so much silver jewelry that like I feel like it's hard to like transition over, if that makes sense. But I wear silver, but I do like gold jewelry now. That was easy. All my tank tops are packed now. So now we can cross off tank tops off our list, and I'm just gonna do pajamas while I'm already here because I just have them. So, and then we need pajama pants. This is the first pair I'm bringing. They're just super flowy shorts from Garage that I got a long time ago, and the second one is a pair I thrifted. They're from like Abercrombie and Finch. They're pretty short, but they're so comfy, so I'm just gonna bring those, roll them up. Now we can move on to skirts. So I'm gonna bring this skirt, probably this one. It's super easy to put with outfits. And then I have another plaid skirt, kind of like this one, but it's in the wash, so I need to wait for that to come out. Alright, it's been a while. I had to like sort out a bunch of things, but for shorts I am packing my blue Princess Polly ones, and then I also have another pair. They're the white ones that I own. They're the exact same but just white, but I plan on wearing those there, so I just left those out. For the skirts I have this, and then another plaid one that I still need to pack, but it's in the wash. I'm bringing a flannel. This is what it looks like. It's super cute. I just recently thrifted it. It's like a brown color. I think it would look super cute with like white pants or something like that, but you know, we'll see. I also thrifted a really cute dress. This is what it looks like. Originally it had like 2 like tied together straps, and it looked kind of weird, and like it gave me like hospital gown vibes. So what my grandma did was just sew the pieces together. She was so nice and did that for me, so thank you if you're watching. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It's super cute, so I'm bringing this. And then I'm just bringing my white cropped sweater from Brandy Melville. That's my go-to. It goes with everything, so that is all there. For bathing suits, I don't know if we're going to like a beach or whatever, but I thought I would just bring 2 anyways. I have this little red set. This is from Alpha Bikini line, whatever people. They're super cute. It's just like this red cut one, and then I have this green one. This is just what it looks like. It's from Ardennes. It's kind of cheaper, but you know, it does the job. It's pretty cute. It's like ruffled. So these ones are coming with me. I changed up the camera angle. I know I was taking a thumbnail. Ooh, maybe I should put them in here. That's probably a better idea. Cute. Oh, so we're taking a pause on clothing because I just need to get more stuff together, but for the meantime I thought we would start on toiletries and like cosmetics and stuff. I have 2 bags. I'm probably gonna use this one. I honestly don't know if it's gonna fit. You guys, I've only packed for a week once, and I even struggled then, so 4 years ago, and now I'm doing it again, so I'm struggling. Like, my issue isn't that I suck at packing, it's just like half the things are either in the washer right now, or I can't pack them because like medication and stuff, you can't pack that until the day you're like leaving, because you know I need it in the morning, so it's kind of a struggle. Like moisturizer, I can't even pack that yet, but and like hairbrush, maybe some makeup, I don't know, we'll figure it out. Do I need these? I don't think I need these at all. I might just like throw it all in here and, you know, hope for the best. So first off, we have my toothbrush. We're just gonna throw that in there. So I have a bag of tiny drug bags, and I might just throw my toothpick floss things in here if they fit. I don't know, what do I need, like 14? Okay, this is 4. Do they fit in here though? They fit! That's perfect. We got 14 here. Now we're just gonna try and put them in the tiny bag. Will they fit? That's the question. They fit, but it doesn't close. Guess I'm just putting them in this large bag. Okay, floss picks are done. They can just go in here. We got after gel if I get mosquito bites and polysporin. If I cut myself, and you know, I'm very clumsy, so odds are I will need both. See, I have like asthma puffers and like cream and like stomach pills and stuff, but like I can't pack that until the day before I leave. This makes it challenging. What about vitamins? I can pack vitamins ahead of time. Okay, time to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Vitamins. All right, I have tiny travel size things. I have tiny tiny conditioner, tiny deodorant, and a little block thing of sunscreen, so we need to pack that. This might sound stupid, but my mom cleaned out this tiny little spray bottle, so I don't have to bring this huge spray bottle. So I'm just gonna dump some of this body spray into this tiny random bottle and hope for the best. How does this come off? Do I just like need to spray the whole thing? After 20 years, I finally managed to put it in this bottle just by spraying it. Yeah, I changed bottles from the last time you guys saw it. This one is much smaller and cuter, and it doesn't have the word alcohol in it, so it doesn't look like I'm just spraying alcohol on myself. Just eyeglass cleaner instead. Alright, so far in here, I have mainly makeup items that I will be using, like eyelash curlers, mascara, chapstick, everything like that. I still need to add like eyebrow stuff, but I plan on using that the day of. Over here on top of my toilet is like basically like just other toiletries. Let me open this. So we have a puffer, and then there's my sunscreen, gravel, my body spray, toothbrush, shampoo, deodorant, conditioner, floss sticks, vitamins. Everything is in here so far, but I still have more to add. I'm bringing some hair ties, so we just have like 3, 4, 5 hair ties and 2 little hair clips. So I'm just gonna put that with the makeup for now. And then I think I need a beach towel and a shower towel. The Airbnb says they have towels there, but not gonna lie, I'm kind of picky with my towels and I like them to be soft, so we're just gonna go pack my own. Hopefully they fit in this. You guys, they fit. Look how perfect. Tank tops, 2 towels here. Oh, perfect. Alright, I kind of forgot I was doing a Q&A in this video. Next question is favorite class in high school. My favorite class in high school was definitely communications, media, or Comtech is what Comtech. Oh wait, no, that's the same thing. It was super fun, kind of like a media class, but more like film. If you could live in any country for a year, where would you go? I would definitely go to Japan. I kind of want to travel to Japan or Hawaii. I guess that's considered the States. Or maybe like Korea. Maybe. I have a lot of places. What makes you happy? My friends and iced coffee. My dream is to honestly just be able to afford a house in Toronto's house market right now. Literally the smallest shoebox house is over $1 million, and you know, I'm never going to be able to move out at this point. So to be able to move out financially stable still and not in debt for the rest of my life. How has life been after college? Honestly, life's been vibing. I'm doing good. After college, when I graduated, I didn't have a job for a year. Well, I did have a job. I worked at a grocery store, so that's a job. Part-time though. And then I finally got a full-time job, aka the one I'm doing now. It's like I work at like a corporate media place doing video editing and videography, which is super cool, love it. And then recently I took on like a side freelance thing. I'm currently editing for another YouTuber now, which is super fun. She's super nice, love her, and yeah. I basically do like 3 jobs at once kind of thing, which is kind of like crazy. I also have to bring my laptop because I have to edit while I am there. So we're just gonna pack my laptop and my laptop charger. We're just gonna put that there and hope she doesn't break. So a while ago, this shelf, there was like a second layer to it, but it fell off my wall, and the camera you guys are on fell, and my film camera. And I thought my film camera was fine because it could turn on. But I think it's like still broken because half the time it doesn't fully turn off. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna like take a chance with it and hope it works because I want cute film photos, but I also have another one. It's a Canon one, but I don't know if I want to bring that one. This one's like way cuter. Alright, so last look at everything. We have all of this stuff up here packed. And then in here underneath my laptop, we have towels, tank tops, shorts, sweatpants, cardigans, dresses. Under here is toiletries, hairbrush, film camera, makeup is in here. And that is everything. So now we can close it up. Alright you guys, we are all packed now. Everything is in here, my entire life kind of. But anyways, I just wanted to say thank you for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see more of me, you can definitely follow on my social media. It is all linked down below. But once again, thanks for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!